Hi folks, Rob with Two Guys on a Ride. Today we're at the Chanhassen Autoplex for Cars and Caves. This event goes on through the summer, the last Saturday of every month, and all proceeds go to charity, and it runs from 8 a.m. until noon. So come on down to the Chanhassen Autoplex and check out Cars and Caves.
All right, hi, I'm Ethan, Two Guys in a Ride, and today we're with Dwayne, and he has the most amazing wall in his garage. And Dwayne, tell us about it.
Well, I had to have something to do after I retired, I guess, but when I first bought this place in 2007, and we were just starting to build out, a fraternity brother of mine from Kansas State was up here, and he was a Cadillac dealer in Salina, Kansas for like 30 years. And then he said, I gotta have my wife see this. So she came back, they came back a month or two later, and he brought me a big cardboard box full of these envelopes. And he said, here, you can have these. He said, you got a place to put them up on the wall there. And they just been in my basement ever since I retired. So that's what got me started. And you notice I just put them on a board. And when I got a board full, then I could screw them into the wall. And I started, I just went crazy with collecting them. Auto salvages all over the country, and in those days, that had been 10, 12 years ago. You take a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver, and you go in and typical auto salvage, I'd probably get maybe 30, 40, 50 of them at a time. And a lot of times when you go to check out, they just say, oh, you can just have those or no charge. And stuff like that. It's changed completely now. They're very hard to find. The dealers don't use them anymore. And typically on eBay and stuff, they're $10, $20 a piece.
Now, what's the size of your wall? Do you know how deep your garage is?
85 feet.
you have 85 feet of...
There's 3,665, I think.
Okay, and folks, Nathan is going to count them before we leave just to verify. So.
No, I am not.
But tell us, Dwayne, what's the most unique part? You were telling me there are no duplicates on this wall.
They're all metal and there's no duplicates. And I've got probably 3,000 or 4,000 at home that are duplicates. And you notice my wall is full now, so this project is pretty much done.
I'm really not doing this justice on the film, but we're looking at 80 feet here, folks, of all of these different car dealer rear trunk emblems, and it's phenomenal. We're not at all discounting the beautiful cars he's got in here. He's got a number of 600s and a number of Isettas. He's got a couple of electric cars. He's got a Ford convertible, a Bug, a couple of T-Birds. He's even got an old Henry J in the corner.
grandson, his name is Henry J.
Oh, 11-year-old grandson whose name is Henry J. That's fantastic.
So that's really his car. But,
Well, folks, that's it. This is, again, Dwayne Saunders. Thank you so much for inviting us into your garage and sharing your story. And, folks, we're at the Autoplex, Chanhassen Autoplex, and this is Cars and Caves, and it goes on all through the summer, the last Saturday in every month. So come out and visit, check this wall out, check all the different garages and all the beautiful collections of vehicles out here, and come and talk to Dwayne. Great guy, veteran as well, so come and tell him thanks for his service, and just come on out and enjoy the day. Thank you again,
you
sir.
bet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So on the opposite wall to his dealership nameplate, he's got a cork map of Europe on the wall. And the interesting thing about this is that every single cork is from the country that it is in. So the Italian corks are in Italy, German corks are in Germany, and so on. That's a whole lot of wine.